Livermore's Millions in Mayhem, booyah, welcome to the show. I'm Mohammed Abelnil, and tonight we're diving into the mind of Jesse Livermore. This titan made over $100 million in 1929 by shorting the crash. His life was a financial roller coaster, full of fortunes made and lost. His trading rules, they still shape markets today. This isn't just history, it's a masterclass from the original stock operator. We're unpacking 5 powerful lessons from Jesse Livermore, the market maestro. If you want to understand the game and win, listen up, booyah, let's get into it. Lesson number 1, folks. Livermore didn't care about stocks moved, he watched they moved. At 14, while most kids played, he was a quote board boy, memorizing stock behaviors. He saw history repeating itself in the market. These weren't random squiggles, they were signals. When familiar patterns showed up, he pounced. He famously said, "There is nothing new on Wall Street. The emotions, the fear, the greed, they're timeless. Focus on price action and behavior, not the endless stream of headlines. The tape, the chart, the actual buying and selling, that's where the truth lies. Learn to read it, understand its language, and you'll be ahead of the crowd. Stop chasing the news, start chasing the patterns. That's the Livermore way. Skidush." Lesson number 2, separate cold, hard facts from dangerous feelings. Livermore made his first real money in bucket shops by trusting the tape, not tips. He followed what the stock. If the tape said it was going up, he bought. If it was heading south, he sold or stayed out. The tape rarely lies if you know how to listen. What about gut feelings? Livermore wasn't a robot. He developed an incredible feel for the market. When his gut, honed by years of observation, told him something felt wrong, he got out instantly. Intuition built from observation is real. But raw emotion? That's your portfolio's worst enemy. Play the tape, listen to the market story, and let that be your guide. Keep your feelings in check or they'll check you out of the game. Wapow! Lesson number 3, the waiting game. Livermore once waited 2 full weeks to make a single trade. Can you imagine the discipline? Most traders can't sit still for 2 minutes. But why did Livermore wait? The perfect setup wasn't ready. Forcing a trade is a recipe for disaster. Most traders overtrade, bleeding their capital away. Livermore said, "It was never my thinking that made the big money. It was my waiting." It's about the discipline to wait for high probability setups. Patience isn't passive, it's preparation. Wait for the big wave, the big trade. That's where the real money is made. Patience in trading is a superpower. Kaching. Lesson number 4, the market's always right, your ego, not so much. Livermore's biggest losses came when he tried to fight a trend. He was convinced the market was wrong and he was right. The market steamrolled him, teaching him a costly lesson. He said, "The market is never wrong, opinions are." The market is the sum total of all participants, all information. To think your opinion can override the market, that's hubris. Ego is the most expensive advisor in this game. Don't trade your ego, your job is to react, not predict. Align yourself with the market's reality. Argue with it and you'll lose every time. No more. Lesson number 5. The ultimate battle, you versus yourself. Conquer your inner demons. Livermore's biggest opponent? Himself. Fear, greed, overconfidence, revenge trading, he battled them all. He went bankrupt several times, not because his system failed, but because he lost his discipline. He let emotion cloud his judgment. The final lesson, you are your biggest asset and your biggest risk. Your mind, discipline, emotional control, that's your edge. Know yourself. Understand your weaknesses. Master the inner game or the market will do it for you and it won't be pretty. Are you ready to conquer it? Livermore's legacy, the undying rules of the game. Booyah! 5 monumental lessons from Jesse Livermore. His life ended in tragedy, a reminder that riches alone don't guarantee happiness. But his lessons live on, as relevant today as they were a century ago. Human nature doesn't change. If you trade, study his story. Read Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. The greatest edge you'll ever have isn't a secret indicator or a hot tip, it's self-control. Master yourself, master your emotions, and you'll be well on your way to mastering the market. Now go out there and make some money. Booyah! Thanks for watching.